Hey everyone, Yaron from Deepchecks. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a powerful new capability on the Deepchecks LLM evaluation platform, production data sampling, a feature built for anyone seeking evaluation and observability for LLM-based applications running in production. Why sampling at all? When dealing with high-volume traffic in LLM-based apps, evaluating every session can be expensive and unnecessary. Instead, by evaluating just a meaningful portion of your data, you get strong insights into both quality and tracing metrics without needing to process it all, crucial for optimizing your usage and controlling costs. The rest of the data, the unevaluated portion, remains fully available for observability, basic analysis, and future evaluation, of course. This approach can dramatically reduce costs while still giving you high-impact visibility. So how does this actually work? To set this up, head over to your edit application flow and choose your sampling ratio for the production data. The value is between 0 and 1, so for example, 0.4 means about 40% of sessions will be randomly selected for evaluation. The sampling is always done at the session level, so all interactions within a session stay together. Note that this only applies to new production data. It won't affect evaluation stage data or sessions already evaluated. Let's walk through it with a batch upload. I'm using a CSV here for convenience, but the exact same logic applies when using the SDK for uploading data. Once uploaded, you'll see how the system randomly assigns around 40% of sessions to full evaluation, while the rest goes into storage-only mode. In the Storage Data tab, you can browse all unevaluated sessions. You can search and filter based on basic parameters, and deep dive into any session to view it in detail, just like with evaluated ones. Let's click into a single unevaluated session. Notice that these interactions do not include the calculated properties you normally see in evaluated sessions. There's no auto-computed metadata or metrics yet. You'll see all interactions raw data displayed in structured JSON format. From here, we can trigger a manual evaluation for the session and get full scoring, calculated properties, and metrics, just like if it had been selected automatically. So that's our new sampling feature, designed to help you scale evaluation in high-traffic LLM-based applications while keeping full visibility into all your production data. By optimizing what you evaluate, you save on costs and DPUs without sacrificing insight. It's already available in your workspace, so give it a try and let us know what you think.